Hi, let's see if we can earn anything today. It's November 20 and it's around noon Eastern time. Well, the market is boring. Nothing interesting since Friday. We're still growing. Probably we will continue. It doesn't look like it's going to stop anytime soon. The market is way stronger than it was expected in the beginning. So we are burnt a little bit on the shorts that we still have, and yeah, this is it. The long position, the bullish positions were closed, I think, on Thursday or Friday. So right now we only have shorts, mostly some tech company shorts, and yeah, I think this is it. And looking at what we have, well, everything looks pretty healthy. We are pretty far up. I still would expect some kind of pull down soon. This is why I do not close the shorts that we bought. So yeah, I will probably wait a couple of days, probably until Wednesday, Thursday, and there I will see. Maybe I will probably transform the position somehow, but I would need to see the what will happen next, what will happen after, because everything here looks, yeah, the trend is pretty strong. The MACD doesn't look like, well, it looks that we should have some kind of reversal soon. And here we also, I think, like at 70, right? That's probably 70, 75. So yeah, we are kind of toppy, but still it goes up. We have no idea how long it will continue growing. So the only thing we can do is to check if we have some kind of good strategies for today. And as usual, let's go with ETFs, EM, IWM, and Qs and SPY. Well, EM, emerging markets, long straddle and debit vertical put. I think it is, we already have it, right? EM, no, I only have a put position because we already had a strangle, or we had a straddle. So EM here, it still goes up. Okay, nothing interesting here. It is kind of, it probably will have some kind of resistance soon. What do we have next? EM, so debit vertical put, no, we already have a bearish position. Bullish position is kind of risky here. I don't think that I actually closed bullish positions too early. Well, technically we can still grow 2-3 days, maybe even more, but I earned what I wanted. It's all right. I probably will lose something on some bearish positions, but we will see. Most of them are until January 19th, so a lot of time. Yeah, 2 months. It's pretty good. And what do we have here? IWM. Again, put, call, straddle, strangle. No. Thank you. And spying cues. Same here, debit vertical call. Well, maybe just to... If you are worrying about your bearish positions, if you think that it was a mistake to close the bullish positions that early, you can still have some kind of debit spreads, debit call spreads to get those a couple of more days of upside action. But I would not, I personally will not do anything. And all the other underlyings, credit vertical call. Can make sense. Nvidia is interesting, and margin to return is 22. I should probably change the filter so it will only show 23 and higher, because otherwise not very interesting. Then debit vertical calls, let's see, square QL comb, interesting. Let's see what we have here. Let's see the graph. Oh, it is beautiful. It went from what, like 30% up. Yeah, 30% and like in less than a month. Beautiful. What is it? They had good earnings. Yeah, it looks overextended to me. So no, definitely will not want a bullish position there. I really don't see how it can grow higher. This graph, it's already like pretty high. It needs some kind of, well, it's not at resistance yet, so yeah, we jumped over the kind of important resistance some days ago. Yeah, somewhere here we jumped over it. We had some kind of growth there. That looks toppy to me as well. So no, debit vertical put, we already have too many bearish positions, so I do not want any of them, and all of them are debit positions, so too much to lose if it will continue growing for next 2 weeks, which I doubt, of course, but you know, you need to be careful. Long iron butterfly. It's for like $10, yeah. Potential profit $10. No, thank you. I will spend more on commissions here. I need to adjust long iron butterflies for me here. Long strangle. This is something that can be interesting, but also I don't want to spend a lot. Maybe TTD. What's with the graph? Oh yeah, that doesn't look any bullish at all. Well, on MACD it's kind of can flip soon. The trend strength is nothing interesting here. So yeah, and RSI, RSI is also pretty low, and it's like in the middle. It's not overbought, not oversold, so it should move. It should move somewhere soon. What do we have here? Let's see. 5%. The option premium is just 5% of the underlying. That's interesting. Probability of price going outside of break-evens is extremely high. That is very interesting. What do we have for the strikes? So the price is at 67, and the put strike is 62, and the call strike is 75. Deltas are around like 25. That is actually very interesting. What is it? The expiration February 13. I think this is a really good one. Yeah. Let's keep this one in mind. I like it very much. Very much. Shop. Probability is low. Tesla. If we'll have some better probabilities, then I'm fine with it. But so far TTD looks very interesting. And here. 63. No. EOG, really nice oil company. Where is it? Also really nice trade, I think, here, but TTD is kind of should move soon. It's close to the even to the Bollinger Bands, so it's kind of, if it's in the middle, it means that we probably should go somewhere soon. I like these two, EOG and TTD. Others are like not that interesting. So yeah, I think this is the only trade that we can have today. Others are no. Well, it's 300, 40 with commissions. So yes, I like this trade. I will set it up today. Even though I actually feel a little bit weird because we already have too many long option positions. But this one is interesting. If tomorrow we'll have the same day, when we'll just hover around the same prices market-wise, I like it. If we'll look at the SPX, then I don't want to do any more trades. I will just wait. Even this, I don't know, I'm a little bit skeptical because we indeed have too many positions. Well, you know what? I will not do the trade today, even though very difficult. Well, if you want, try this trade. If you are not following all the trades that we already have, then it makes sense. Otherwise, I will need to think a little today, and I will see. Probably like 55% that I will do it. But otherwise, have a good day. See you tomorrow. Bye.